so beautiful without you. Now my skin glows and it shines like glue. I'm pretty without you, pretty without you, pretty without you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and I'm here today taking you with me whilst I clean my way out of burnout and feeling so overwhelmed. I am going to share with you some tips I use when the thought of cleaning is so daunting. We have those moments where we become overwhelmed just by the thought of cleaning, and it's really daunting, especially in our most used high traffic areas. But don't worry, together we can break it down and make it feel less overwhelming. And hopefully by the end of this video, you're feeling motivated to at least get started. It is important to know that feeling overwhelmed is totally normal. We all feel it at some points in our life. So take a deep breath. You are not alone. Over everything you hear me talk about today, my one bit of advice that I want you to remember is to just get started. Just get started. So let's start by breaking your to-do lists into smaller, more manageable tasks. For me personally, today I needed to tackle the bathroom. For those of you that have been with me for a while, know that this is my most hated chore. You see, I live with 3 boys who seem to have forgotten they are potty trained. And also, you will see that there are 2 washing baskets in my very small bathroom and one just outside the door. So tell me why they have such a hard time choosing one, and they opt for the floor every single time. To get myself through cleaning the bathroom in my head, and you guys can write it down if you find it more helpful, I have made a simple plan. I need to clear and wipe down the surfaces. I need to do a quick clean of the bath, the sink and the toilet, and lastly collect the washing. So now I've said it out loud, it's actually not a huge list and it's manageable.
Pretty without you. I get my beauty sleep without you. No more nicotine turning my hands blue. I'm pretty without you. Pretty without you. Pretty without you. Feeling lonely was hard, but it was all for the better. Taking care of myself, haven't done that in forever. No mascara under my eyes since you left with your lies. No makeup on my sleeve, now I can't keep it together. I'm so beautiful without you. Now my nails can grow and I bought new shoes. I'm pretty without you. Pretty without you. Pretty without you. Pretty without you. Feeling lonely was hard, but it was all for the better. Taking care of myself, haven't done that in forever. No mascara under my eyes since you left with your lies. No makeup on my sleeve, now I can't keep it together. I loved and I lost what's left of my heart. I'm saving for the future. And in the meantime, I'm all for me.
move on into the bedrooms. My bedroom wasn't too bad, but the boys' rooms were where I was feeling the most daunted. Again, by breaking it down into smaller tasks, this was my best method on this day. I needed to make the beds. This is the most simple act that I could do that will instantly transform the look and feel of the room. Picking up clothes and either putting them away or putting them in the dirty laundry hamper. I need to do a surface sweep, clear off the bedside tables, drawers, and any other surfaces, and finally organise the clutter. Just a few minutes to pop items back into their rightful places. Thankfully, I've bounced back from burnout pretty quickly this time, but there have been times where it's taken longer than I would like to admit. Now, I have the personality where I need to know what is going on with me. And whilst I stay away from Dr. Google, because let's face it, a broken finger often means something more sinister, there are times it's helpful. So let's go through some information and tips I found. What is burnout? So, burnout is a state of emotional, physical, and mental exhaustion caused by prolonged or excessive stress. The characteristics are feeling drained, low energy, difficulty concentrating, and making decisions. What can cause burnout? I read that the main three factors are workplace. Do you have a heavy workload? Do you have long hours? Do you have a lack of control? Your lifestyle. Do you have poor work life balances? Are you getting enough sleep? And do you have any unhealthy habits? And finally, your personality traits. Perfectionism, the need for control, and people pleasing tendencies. So we know some triggers. Let's talk about how to come back from burnout. What can we do to replenish our physical and emotional well being? How can we rediscover our sense of purpose and joy? Well, we need to recognize that we are burning out, not ignoring the signs or trying to push through. Accepting that we need to prioritize our well being and make changes. We need to try and find the root cause or causes. What is driving the burnout? Is it too much stress at work? Any personal struggles at home? Are you worried about something or someone? We need to be prioritizing self care. Sleep is very important. You need at least 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Now, I know this is impossible for a lot of people, so maybe you could try relaxation techniques like meditation, yoga, praying, or my personal favorite is deep breathing. Look at having a healthier lifestyle. Nourish your body with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and drink lots of water. We need to be setting boundaries. So say no to people who drain your energy levels or don't care about your well being. You need clear separation between work and personal time. And find support. Talk to your loved ones, tell them how you're feeling. Consider finding a therapist. I, from the age of 8, have at points needed to use a therapist to help guide and develop coping strategies. Appreciate the positives and focus on the things that you're grateful for. Be patient and kind to yourself. It takes time. Don't expect to feel better overnight. Treat yourself with the same kindness you would treat your friend, your spouse, your child. And finally, remember it's okay to ask for help. This will pass and you will feel better. Don't let your burnout steal your shine. Take charge, reclaim your space, and reclaim your life. You are strong. It is okay to ask for help. This will pass and you will feel better.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke. And I will try to fix what has been broken. And take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken. And I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
Jeff is just round the block. Is it the drink and ready to run? Thought I'd be better by now, but I can make my feet move along. And as soon as I see you, I forget about it. Just as soon I get used to letting you go. I feel a heartbeat and I'll go blind. You feel exactly every void I have inside. I'm your battery, like a rock, but still I try so hard to be something I'm not. So show me love and I will show up. Prove me wrong this thinking she's lost. Met her ex and now she's back to the start. I gave her my best advice. She did the same but couldn't change my mind. And as soon as I see you, I forget about it. As soon I get used to letting you go. So show me love and I will show up. Prove me wrong, this time you will stop. Or you go your way and I will go mine. 'Cause never will I ever be blinded by love again. So show me love and I will show up. Prove me wrong, this time you will stop. Or you go your way and I will go mine. 'Cause never will I ever be blinded by love again. Show me love and I will show up. Prove me wrong, this time you will stop. Or you go your way and I will go mine. 'Cause never will I ever be blinded by love again. I don't wanna sit around and wait. Thin skin, I'm underwater. Is this really happening? You stay silent, you don't mind. Happiness or dollar signs to you. What about not stealing anyone's time? Anyone's time.
Sometimes the smallest actions makes the biggest difference. So be kind to yourself. Take things one step at a time and remember that even a little bit of cleaning can bring back a sense of calm and control. If you've enjoyed or found this video helpful in any way, give it a thumbs up and share with someone who might need a little bit of encouragement. And don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning motivation. Thank you for hanging out with me today, guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Much love.
I